Good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this January the 27th, 2023. I hope everybody had a good Friday out there. Hope everybody staying safe and well out there as well. Today we're going to be discussing your weekend forecast. We're going to be discussing the satellite loop across the United States, plus a look at the radar across the lower 48. Also, we're going to look at the watches and warning map, and plus we're going to take a sneak peek at the 16-day snowfall totals across the United States. If you like my content, like my forecast, consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit that like button, and also hit the share button so y'all can share my videos to get to more people, so that way they can see my weather content and help my channel grow also as well. Okay, well, let's dive into the weekend forecast here. We're looking at snow across portions of the northeastern United States, from Maine all the way back into Toronto, Canada, all the way into Michigan, over toward Wisconsin, all the way back over toward Vancouver, Canada, all the way back down into northern Nevada, portion of Colorado, and in the we have some winter mixed precipitation falling over in Seattle, Washington area, all the way back down into Oregon, Northern California. We have more over here toward Missouri, Illinois, Chicago, also toward Pennsylvania. We have showers, a few thunderstorms developing over toward the Dallas, Houston area, and also toward Mississippi and Arkansas. We got high pressure building in along the East Coast, so you're expecting fair weather. It's the south portion of the southwestern United States. You're going to have fair weather. You got a little system coming on shore there that may bring a little bit of inland snow, coastal rains. Alright, now let's take a look at your forecast for Sunday. We have more snow in the same vicinities. More mixed precipitation over the southwestern portion of the United States. Mixed precipitation from Missouri all the way up into New Hampshire along the I-95 corridor. A little bit of snow may even fall back toward Pennsylvania. A little mixed precipitation down there not too far from New York City. Some mixed precipitation possible, maybe up around the Charlotte area, maybe back over toward the western North Carolina area around Asheville. We got showers extending through Arkansas, Kentucky, Tennessee, Virginia, North Carolina, portion of South Carolina, with thunderstorms in this area here. Maybe some flash flooding in this region here where it's the red area here that's hatched. That's heavy rain with flash flooding possible. Okay, now we're going to take a look at the satellite composite across the United States. There goes that little system there that's producing some little wintry precipitation over Canada, portions of Michigan, and portions of Wisconsin. And that will move into New York City and make clip Maine. We have another storm system coming in from the upper Great Lakes region. Upper this evening, but anyway, that's moving down into to the southern, moving down into the central portion of the country. The subtropical jet is getting cranked up. That's why you're going to see these systems keep riding across the southeastern United States. Going to crank up over here in the Pacific, ride right across Texas, all the way into the southeast and up the coast, and bring some snow, possibly for some of these snow drought areas of the northeast. So you may get to see some snow finally in your vicinity, and as well the areas that did not see any snowfall as of yet. Alright, let's take a look at the radar view. This is that little system on the satellite that I was showing you. More little pockets of precipitation over in the Midwest, upper Midwest, over toward Montana and over toward Nebraska, Kansas, Wyoming area. That's that storm system getting ready, plus that little subtropical jet will continue to pull moisture across the south and southeastern United States much of next week. So that's why I see an unsettled weather pattern next week across the southeastern United States. Alright, let's take a look at the watches and warning maps across the lower 48 here. Well, shoot, this time we pretty clear across much of the East Coast, except some freeze warning and a frost advisory across northern Florida and southern Georgia. We have wind chill advisory across Minnesota. Let's see, North Dakota, and also a portion of Montana. There's that winter storm warning in the pink, winter weather advisories in the purple. That's where you may get up to a few inches of snow, maybe up to a foot in some locations. We have winter weather advisory portions of the mountains of California, and some freeze warnings, freeze watches along the coast of California. Alright, and here's a sneak peek at the 16-day snowfall total by the GFS model. All this here heavy precipitation, I disagree with all. I don't think it will be that much. This down here, I don't think this going to occur either. So that's just X that out. There's a possibility, but I'm not really optimistic on this yet. All right, pretty much this rest of it over here on the West Coast looks pretty ordinary, right? So there's your snowfall total over the next 16 days, and I hope everybody has a good one. And stay safe out there. If you like my content, subscribe. Hope you watch the whole video, and we will catch you back in the next one. But just remember, enjoy the weather. It's the only weather you got.